everybody, Shelly here. I decided I needed to do a FabFitFun, I think this is the winter 2020 unboxing, and I gotta be honest with you guys, I got a bunch of add-ons. Stuff that I probably didn't need. Some of them will probably be gifts. FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription service. A lot of like lifestyle, some household items, fun things, skincare, makeup, fitness, FabFitFun, fashion, and you get to choose a couple items from like a list of things. They usually give you like a magazine that kind of tells you all the other stuff that you didn't get in case there's stuff that you really wanted, which sometimes I've been on the fence about FabFitFun. Part of me was just like, oh, I love the idea of getting like this care package in the mail once a quarter. Other times I'm like, I don't like any of this stuff, or I like one thing out of it, or maybe I should give it to my daughter because I don't need any more junk in the house, that kind of thing. So I thought I would just kind of go through with you guys, show you my add-ons, and then we can kind of talk about it, and I'll tell you whether or not I think it's good value. A couple of these things are just up here and up front in my way, so I'm going to go through these first. These are a couple add-ons that I threw in. This is the Wealthy Rebuild grass-fed, pasture-raised, hydrolyzed collagen protein, skin, muscle, joint, and gut support. All natural, non-flavored. I figured I would try this because I do the Daily Harvest smoothies. I like the smoothies. I don't really like their meals, but I like the smoothies, and I figured I would try like a scoop of like collagen protein. Trying to do more things to support my working out efforts. Plus, collagen is just one of those things that feel like, I don't know if it's a hype thing or what, but I feel like I've been choosing more supplements with collagen in it, so I'm just gonna keep going on that. And then the next thing, I bought this 2-piece set. It came kind of in its own package, its own box. And that's this Teamy Lifestyle Pitcher and some Teamy Refresh Premium Tea. Teamy seems to have some products that are supposed to help like cleanse and things like that. I can't say that I'm 100% behind that. I actually bought this because I wanted a pitcher, a different pitcher, something a little bit more manageable. Chlorophyll water. It's like some concentrated chlorophyll water that I wanted to be able to mix at home more. So I thought using something like this would be kind of fun. And I like the idea too that this is like an infuser as well. So it's a generous size pitcher. I think I can get a lot of chlorophyll water in it here, but it also has a little insert in here for tea. So you can do, see like that? You can fill that up with tea, fill it up with water. And I don't know if you can do a cold seep on it or if you have to do hot. Add hot water to start brewing. So I guess it's not like a cold brew coffee. If you want to use this tea, then you actually do have to use hot water in it. Fill the infuser with fruits, vegetables, or herbs. Add cold water or room temp. 1 to 3 hours to infuse flavor. A secret compartment in the bottom to twist open. Why do you need a secret compartment? I don't understand why you need a secret compartment. I wanted to use this for my chlorophyll water. It just so happened that it also came with some tea. I'll try it out. Place desired amount of tea in a cup or tumbler and add near boiling water, 3 to 5 minutes. And I don't know what flavor this is. This is refreshingly sweet. And I see like little bits and twigs and flowers and bark and shit, so. I'll let you know. I'll let you know how it feels. Okay, this is the big box. Now I have gone through here already and added in my add-on items, my add-on items, as well as the things that actually came in here. So I've got it kind of separated out here by the propaganda. So I'm just gonna move this out of the way. You know, when I look at it this way, maybe I didn't go as overboard as I thought I did. So as far as like the materials that came in here, I've got a FabFitFun sticker. In case you need a sticker, I guess. Add a little sparkle and shine. This is a $15 off your first FabFitFun box. So I guess this is if I wanted to gift it to somebody. Bright Sellers, discover wine you love. It looks like there's like little maybe coupon-y things that you could scratch and do it. HBO Max, coupon for redeem your 14-day free trial of HBO Max. See, Nature Made Knowledge and your wellness. You take an assessment. Oh, it's like daily vitamins and supplements, personalized and delivered. 30% off coupon with that if you need more vitamins and supplements. HelloFresh. I don't do HelloFresh. I know my stepdaughter does HelloFresh. I don't. I never have. 9 free meals across 5 boxes, including free shipping. I think I looked into this once, and maybe the deal didn't seem like it was as good as I thought it would. And then we got FabFitFun with Katie Couric on the cover of it. I like her husband. Her husband's pretty hot. I don't have an opinion on her one way or the other here. But there's a lot of like information in here. It gives you the price, kind of tells you, you know, what's available, what are add-ins, what are, you know, people just chose. And there's so much in here. Like if you just look at there's just pages of things that could be in here. wine glasses, or maybe those are champagne flutes, coffee cups, vanity mirrors, makeup. It seems like it's pretty, you know, usually pretty good high-end stuff. So I'll show you what came in my box that was part of my subscription, and then I'll show you the other things that I either added on or chose. So the first thing is this bathrobe. A lot of people got the, like, this marshmallow pillow thing, and or not marshmallow blanket, and I kind of wish I would have got it, but I didn't know about it. But I needed a new bathrobe. So this is just kind of a beige, plush, super soft bathrobe. I was due. I couldn't even tell you how old my old bathrobe is, so I needed a new one. I got a Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser. This is a Dr. Brandt product, and I actually really like Dr. Brandt. I think I needed a new cleanser. I mentioned it recently on my BoxyCharm, but I think that the cleanser that I got, being a gel cleanser, is just not going to really work. Oh, see, now this is a gel cleanser too. Oh wait, no, it's foaming. It wants to foam up. It smells herbal-y. Okay, brought you guys a little closer in. I just felt like we were like in a tunnel, like way far away. That's not good. So I'll use this. I'll use this in the shower. It actually feels a little like cooling on the skin. So maybe it's got a mint in it or something. Okay, the Rhythm of the Rain Hair Mask and Scalp Detox. That actually looks kind of cool. I like hair masks. I don't remember to use them. I don't know. I always wonder, do you use them before you wash? Do you use it after wash? And then I hate having to like go back in and rinse your hair again later on. I don't really have maybe the slightest bit of like a cucumber scent, but really not much of any scent at all. Rain, maybe it smells like rain. I don't know. It's been a while since I've smelled rain. But this kind of company is called Vor or Voir. I can't tell if it's a VOIR or VOR with like a dot over it. It says Vor Hair Care, made in Canada. I'll support our neighbors up north. This is, I thought it was an interesting concept. This is ACV, apple cider vinegar, ACV, dry shampoo powder. Now, my first introductions into dry shampoo was actually a powder, and it had a tube, smelled delicious, buttercream, I think is the name of the brand. It did smell like buttercream. And it had a brush on the end, and you could like brush it into your roots, and there was different colors. And I remember the first one I got, I think was like black, and it was too dark for my hair. But once I figured out the right shade, I actually really liked it, and it smells delicious. And I think I bought several of them, and I would use them when traveling. So this has a gentle dry shampoo powder that helps absorb oil and impurities, refreshes your style quickly, and adds a touch of lift and texture. I don't really need texture or lift to my hair too much, but I do sometimes get like a little crazy with the moisturizers and stuff. So if I'm going on like the third day, and I probably out of shampoo, but I don't really have the time or energy to do so, because it's like a big commitment sometimes. I might try this. I don't, some of the spray shampoos are just like hit and miss. Some of them are super irritating. Some of them just don't really feel like they do anything. Some smell really good and I like them, but then they're expensive. So I'm just kind of all over the place on that. So this is, the next thing on here is the Algenist Anti-Wrinkle Complete Eye Renewal Balm. So it's an eye balm. Did you guys get into the Nerium thing? I did, but I didn't like it. I didn't sell it or anything. It feels nice. It doesn't really feel like a balm to me. When I think of a balm, I think of like the Becca, more of like a wax type balm. This doesn't really feel like a balm, but it does feel very relaxing. I wonder if I should put some on. I'm just gonna put a little bit on here underneath my eye. Sometimes I do that. Do you ever do that? Like during the day, just like give yourself a little eye freshener and dab on a little bit more moisturizer. I probably put on moisturizer about as much as I put on like lip balm. It doesn't look horrible over makeup, so I'm just gonna keep this handy. I'm excited about this. I am always on the lookout for like the perfect under eye balm product. This is strange. They gave me like a single kind bar. Dark chocolate nuts and sea salt. I actually like this, 90 calories. I like these. I feel like this is random. Like one random kind bar. Wish Vanilla Bean Lip Scrub. Gently exfoliates, smooths, and softens. This is the right time of year for a lip scrub, isn't it? It's not a bad size. This does smell like vanilla bean. A little bit. A little vanilla-y. Not like too cloyingly sweet. It does have a nice like slanted applicator, so I guess you could just put this right directly on your lips. I've never actually purchased anything myself from Wish. Scrunchies. I got a scrunchie. It's appropriate. I have hair. I had a roommate in college that actually made scrunchies. Oh, it's a 2-pack, 3-pack. A 3-pack, a little fabric. I wouldn't call them silk, but they're all like animal print type scrunchies. I would wear these. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these next to the bed because when I get up in the morning, usually the first thing I do is put my hair up to get it out of the way so it doesn't look a little crazy. And then the last thing in here looks like it might be a makeup product. It's in kind of a bubble wrap. This is Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. It's kind of a random selection, isn't it? I feel like some of them I've got that are a lot more like household items, vases and phone chargers and sunglasses and things like that. And then sometimes I feel like they're a lot more skincare related. That's actually a pretty color. Seems like it's kind of like a normal blush color. Oh, it's very bright. This is like a ridiculously bright blush color. It's like a rose gold.
Oh, wow. That's kind of pretty.
Very bright.
It is bright.
I don't know that I would use it as blush. Okay, so let's look at a few of the things that I purchased kind of like extra as add-ons, because you never really know what you're gonna get, and sometimes I like to choose. There may have been a time in my life that I would buy some of my own Christmas gifts and wrap them, put them on the tree so that I knew that I was getting it. I knew that I was gonna like it and I'd be excited about it. Really sad, actually, now that I think about it. Okay, so one of the first things I purchased was the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. Again, I've been just obsessed with collagen lately, and I picked up some really expensive collagen type serum creams recently, and I like the Murad line, and I feel like I keep gathering more and more Murad products, so I'm going to be going through them here pretty soon. This is one that I've actually thought about purchasing in the past. I do have a lip mask that I keep next to my bed that I've been putting on every night. This one is another lip sleeping mask. This is Innisfree with green tea, and I've heard good things about it. I almost picked it up on Sephora, and then it was in FabFitFun as an add-on. I'm just gonna leave it closed until I get ready to use it. So it says, due to temperature sensitive textures and naturally derived ingredients, this product may show uneven surface, discoloration, and or change in scents regardless of product quality. Okay, thanks for the warning. I guess if I needed that. All right, so I'm excited about this because when I do finish the other one, I'm gonna switch and use this one. I think it will be a good choice. Okay, I picked up another Marc Jacobs. I think maybe I've got 2 Marc Jacobs. Yeah, I got 2 Marc Jacobs products. I've been like slowly collecting more and more Marc Jacobs products. I think I have a bronzer, like the Omega bronzer. I've got 2 of his, I don't know, it's like 5 or 6 pan eyeshadows. I have a coconut primer. I've got a couple different lipsticks, a lip gloss, a lip liner. So let's see what this is here. This first one is Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer. I wonder if this is the same as that I have. This is much smaller than the other one that I have. I feel like the one that I have is much bigger. Oh, this is much thicker. I don't know if it's silicone based or what. What is on this? Ingredients. First thing on here is dimethicone. So that makes it like a silicone based primer, huh? I guess that can be good for if you're not acne prone but you have pores that you want to cover up. That, makes sense. It has like that kind of slick feel to it, and it's super mattifying. I'm looking at. Okay, and the other thing I picked up from Marc Jacobs was this Sugar Lip Frost. This might be too light. Oh, but how cute is the packaging? Tiger print, leopard print kind of packaging. That's fun. And the shade is super light. So this is going to be one that I can layer over a much darker shade or if I wanted to lighten it up a little bit. But again, if you can get Marc Jacobs stuff for really inexpensive, why not? Why not try some of the higher end stuff? Okay, Grown Alchemist Age Repair Moisturizer. I've picked up a couple Grown Alchemist things lately. I think I've got a night cream, a night detox cream, and then another moisturizer. These come, this is funny, this is all bent up. These come in like these metal tubes that remind me of like the old school toothpaste tubes way back in the day. Age Repair Moisturizer. I probably didn't need another moisturizer. Phytopeptides White Tea Extract. I need to probably make sure this isn't the same one that I already have. I remember when I got this, I tried this and I was like, oh my gosh, that feels so nice. My hands, when I tried it on my hands, felt so soft. Stuff is ridiculously expensive. So to have it come, or to be able to purchase it for a really cheap price, I'm trying to think of, I don't even know that they have it in here as like what the price I paid for it is. You might have to just look it up. Give me a second here. I'm gonna look up this Grown Alchemist. Directly from the Grown Alchemist website, it's $75. If I see it on, I don't even recognize that. Neiman Marcus, $99. E-Cosmetics, $79. So I'm seeing it kind of, $75 and above. There's other stuff that I've seen it listed as like $125, $150. So when I saw this and I'm like, okay, you know what? For super expensive stuff, and if I like the way it feels on my skin, I wouldn't purchase that myself, but happy to get it as an add-on. And it wouldn't have been very much. I can't imagine I would have spent more than 20 bucks on an add-in. Okay, next thing is Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. I like exfoliators, I like cleansers. You know, this might be one that's a good one to combine with the other cleanser that kind of came in the thing, because that was more of a gel cleanser. We're gonna look at this one here. Oh, see, these have a little bit of a mint smell to them, and I don't mind that. Oh yeah, little tiny like fine grit. This is going right into my shower. Can I use this every day? Helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. Rinse well, pat dry. Use 1 to 2 times a week. This isn't going to be a daily exfoliator for me. Darn. Well, that's all right. This is another thing I was super excited to get. This is the Juice Beauty Organic Solution Blemish Clearing Serum Anti-Imperfections. This stuff has willow bark in it, and I have purchased other of kind of like these blemish serums before. One of them was like a Hungarian brand. I can't remember off the top. Eminence maybe. Willow bark does such a good job of like healing skin if you have a blemish or an outbreak. It does a really good job. The last thing I picked up was the Sigma. This is a kabuki Edge kabuki. And it's like a triangle type. I love Sigma products, so I thought I would try it. The last thing I picked up here was a kimono. My battery is dying, so I'm gonna talk fast. If I die before I finish, just to let you guys know I'm thinking about you. This is a kimono. I thought it would be kind of cute, like over leggings and a tank top for stay-at-home wear. You guys, I think that was it. That was everything in my winter 2020 FabFitFun box. Not only the stuff that I got, but also the things I chose as add-ons. I hope you guys are doing really well, and until my next video, bye for now.